Hi, this is Dr. Lou, and I'm here to ask you, why are people so afraid of commitment? I hear it all the time. I don't want to get chiropractic. I don't want to have to get chiropractic care for the rest of my life. Well, listen, no one has to do anything that they don't want to do. It's basically a free world, right? You can do whatever you'd like. Whether or not it's good for you or not, you can decide. No one in our chiropractic office will ever ask you to do something against your will for the rest of your life. But I want you to consider a few things. If you were raised around dental hygiene, there's a good chance that you will brush and floss for the rest of your life. If you do not want to be smelly and turn off the people around you, you will very likely take showers for the rest of your life. If you use a toilet, there is a very good chance that you will not only clean yourself after using it, but you will also flush that toilet for the rest of your life. There's a very good chance that if you are married, at least a 50% chance in the United States, a 50% chance that if you commit to someone in marriage, you will be with them for the rest of your life. Now, these are all things that you're doing for yourself and doing for other people. But let me ask you this, what's so wrong with doing something good for yourself for the rest of your life? We all know that going to the gym once a week for the next 4 weeks is not going to keep you fit for the rest of your life. If you want to be fit for the rest of your life, you need to adopt a lifestyle that's healthy and ongoing. One good meal, one less trip through the McDonald's drive-thru is not going to make you healthy for the rest of your life. In order to be healthy through diet for the rest of your life, you need to continue to do it and commit to it for the rest of your life. Now, spinal health and spinal hygiene is far more important than most people think, because they don't make the association between the nervous system and the spine becoming misaligned and affecting the way that your brain controls your body through that nervous system. If you have degenerative change, if you have misalignment, if you have problems in your spine, they can create problems for your nerves. And problems for your nerves lead to pain, dysfunction, poor adaptation to your environment and to your world, and a host of other problems that you're not typically aware of until you have those problems, at which point it may be too late. So when you're told that you need care in a chiropractic office and you're all worried about doing it for the rest of your life, take it one step at a time. Chill out. There's no need to be concerned with 20 years from now. Let's get through phase 1, which is getting you started. You can worry about how committed you are later on. You should commit to making good decisions. You should commit to learning the facts. You should commit to thinking things through for yourself and for your family. But nobody in any office anywhere should ever force you to do anything against your will. You shouldn't have to sign contracts without thinking them through. You shouldn't have to commit to anything without having the information and making an informed decision. That's what we're all about in my office. Don't be afraid to commit for the rest of your life. I know you've done it in other areas, that are far less predictable and far less beneficial than that commitment that you'd make at a chiropractic office. Get the facts, think things through, be above average.